Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor here at the Deeds Group with RE/MAX. And I am standing inside of Grounds and Gold Coffee Shop. We're on South Bowen Road, South Bowen, but just north of 20. Actually right across the street from our office. And I can tell you, for someone who works in this area, our community was in desperate need of a coffee shop like this. So I'm thrilled to be here with the owner, Maurice Ahern. And he is going to share a little bit with us about his place. So I just kind of want to start with, I know there's a kind of a special inspiration and reason behind what you've done and how you've done it and everything. So can you share a little bit about that with us?
I'd be happy to do so. Thank you. Yeah, my name is Maurice, and opened up Grounds and Gold Coffee and Bakery back in September. We opened up Gold Ribbon Confections in 2017. Both have a name Gold in them because that is close to something very dear to my heart, and that is childhood cancer. That's the color of the childhood cancer ribbon. My son Micah was diagnosed with neuroblastoma when he was 1 year old, and he fought neuroblastoma for 6 years, and he passed away at 7 in 2017. So this place here exists. One is I wanted a place that would kind of carry on who he was. Anyone who knew Micah knew about the joy. He was known for his smile, just his happy-go-lucky attitude, and just how he had a way of just people would flock around him and just bring people together. So there was a dream to have something where people could do that, to gather and have a place where they could just do life together and just enjoy the moments. One thing we learned with Micah is, like, you know, life can be bad around you, but you can still enjoy the moment you're in. And so that's what the dream was behind this, and we wanted to bring that to this part of Arlington. So that's why we exist. He's the reason behind it. We give back to various cancer organizations. We give to the Children's Hospital, Make-A-Wish, all different kind of things. One that we know help bring smile and something normal to kids going through not so normal things. But this space here, the cafe, coffee shop, it's very unique. If you've not been here, I encourage you to come. It's laid out in a way that you can find a place to kind of sneak away, but also not sneak away. There's a stage we do live music on. The stage is called the Micah stage. There's a mural on that. We do live music off of there. We have open mic nights, but we also have actual local musicians who will come in and play on nights. We've done Killer Frogs, which is TCU fan form. They do a podcast up on that stage. We have event space. You can rent it out for parties, rehearsal dinners, birthday parties, all kinds of stuff. We have a special menu for that too if people want. But also, we just had last week, we had the whole thing rented out for a rehearsal dinner. So, so that was fun. So this place literally is built with a community in mind. We want people to come here. We want them to enjoy doing life together. Yes. But we also want them to know, hey, this is a space that you can do all kinds of things with. So.
Well, it's interesting that, so just in the brief time, so I've been in here a few times. This is not my first time here, but just today, I have seen two young ladies at a table with their Bibles open, so my assumption would be that they were doing a Bible study. I saw three ladies in another corner who all had on their name tags in their computers, so they were clearly doing something work-related. You had a friend stop in, and we wished him a happy birthday that was really kind of you to do a candle for him. So it is a community space. I see very few people in here alone. It's a very common thing. You walk into certain coffee shops and you just see people sitting at their computers. And this is a place where you walk in and there are groups of people sitting and really doing life together, as you said. So it's a pretty neat spot that I'm really impressed with, and I'm pleased to be here, and that it's right across the street from our office. We'll be here a lot more frequently for sure. So I do want to point out one more time. Maurice mentioned gold ribbon confections. Did I say that correctly? Okay. So not only do you have the coffee shop space and the event space and the menu here, which, by the way, I've had lunch here before, and the food is very good. The coffee's fantastic. The food is very good. I've ordered a cake from you, actually. We did a birthday cake for, if you go back a couple of videos or photos to Tanya's birthday back in February, Her birthday cake came from
Oh,
here, and it was amazing, and it was beautiful. So so you can order from Gold Ribbon Confections if you've got, weddings, birthdays, all those things. So we have had very good experience in the time that we've spent here, and that was before I met you. So
Yeah, thank you.
So we appreciate that. But is there anything else you want to share with us about? We're going to probably wrap up.
No, just thank you. Thankful just to be able to tell you a little bit about us. Thankful for what you do, and
Absolutely.
just come give us a try, and bring your friends, and we're here for you, and just thankful to be able to serve you.
Will do. Well, thank you so much for you taking time to meet with us today. And I will just add one more. I told Maurice this morning that even having never met him over the last however many years, that we had followed Micah's story as well. So there's probably many people watching this video who have followed Micah and who are familiar with his story. His smile, like every photo you ever saw of that child, was a huge smile on his face, no matter what he was going through in that moment. So I'm thankful to have been able to know of him and see the strength that he had and what he did for everybody around him. So thank you for sharing that with the world and the community. And I will, on that note, sign off. So everyone have a wonderful day, and we will look forward to seeing you on our next Community Spotlight.